Hello, sports fans. Welcome to today's video. This one I think is going to be very interesting to RVers, van lifers, car lifers, tent campers, maybe somebody in a studio apartment. Basically, I went out and purchased on my own, this is not sponsored, a product that is listed as a foldable, portable washing machine. Now, right off the bat, I could tell you that as I searched for them around on Amazon, this one is in the larger size, but still, it's like, I think it says 20 liters. So supposedly you could put like 5 gallons of water in there, but I certainly didn't. I think the most I put is like 2.5, 3 gallons of water. Anyway, this is for basically washing a pair of shorts, 2 t-shirts, 1 polo shirt, a couple pair of underwear, a couple pair of socks, and it's done up pretty quick. They've got 2 settings on there, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. And the nice thing is it comes with a dehydrator. So basically, once the wash is done and you've drained the water out, you can then go in a 3-minute cycle. That's the thing I didn't really like, is 3 minutes is really not enough. So you have to do it multiple times. But it just spins the clothes and gets them from dripping wet to just damp. And then, of course, you got to do your regular hang them up and let them dry for a day. But this, I think, is going to be really beneficial if everything works out to being able to do a couple little loads of small clothing maybe once or twice a week. So stay tuned to the end and we'll see what it looks like, how it works, what it costs, and what I think of it. So I'm Ralph Luck, and this is RVing with Luck, because I've been full-time for 4.5 years in my Class C RV, traveling around the country, 99% of the time boondocking, and all the time with my evil martial arts trained cat Ninja. We're in the Coconino National Forest near Flagstaff, Arizona. It's a beautiful day, and let's get into this video. So what do we have here? A new package. Let's open it up, see what's inside. It is a foldable washing machine. Here's the drain hose, instructions, powered by AC. I think it said it takes about 36 watts while it's running. The wash cycle could either be 5 minutes or 10 minutes. And then it's got a 3-minute dehydration cycle, it says, which is basically the spin dry. So let's try it out with these pair of shorts and see what it's all about. This was about $60 on Amazon. I picked one that had good ratings. It had like a 2-liter capacity. So I'm supposed to be able to throw in like shorts and a t-shirt, couple t-shirts and underwear and socks, just small things like that. Now in here, these are the dehydration baskets. So we won't need these to wash. And you lift the handle up, put one hand in here, lift up on the handle to expand. Again, this is the hose if you're going to be doing the dehydration. Otherwise, during the wash, we're going to plug this hole up. So I've got it plugged in here to my 3,000 watt lifetime inverter. I've got a 320 amp hour battery. So let's turn this on. It says you push and hold the start button for 3 seconds and then select your cycle. What I don't see, somehow these blue lights are supposed to help clean things too. What I don't see is a fill line. I'm just going to kind of wing it. So I went ahead and filled it just to the green line. The shorts are submerged. Got a lid. Take the plastic off later. Put that on in a moment. And let's throw a little detergent in. Just a little bit. I don't want to overdo it. In fact, that may be overdoing it. And let's start it up. So we're going to press this and hold it for 3 seconds. No, we want long pressed 2 seconds to start and stop. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. There we go. It goes one way, then another way, and then back and forth. That's not too loud. Little hum. So it's done. I didn't really need to hook up the tube. I just opened the drain. Let's take a look. Pretty wet inside. Now I've connected the basket. And once the water's out, I'll take the shorts out, put the basket in, and we'll do a 3-minute dehydration. So I wrung out the shorts a little bit and got the basket in, and let's give it a shot. I really am not sure how this works, but whoa. I'll have to find a stable counter. So there it's going. Not bouncing too much. I'm having a little feeling I might need to do 2 or 3 of these 3-minute cycles. And then I'll put the shorts outside to dry overnight. Taking a look up at my inverter, shows this is only using 20 watts. Yeah, they're a bit drier. Oops. You have to say the rubber feet are like suction cups. Ugh. So when you get them in the surface, it does stay pretty good. We are doing another 3-minute cycle. I do have to say, after the first wash, when I took the shorts out, there was a little bit of dirt film. So I rinsed that out before starting the drying. Okay. Gonna take these out and put them outside. They're not dripping, so I did wring out some of the water. Okay, collapse this down. Collapse this down. Actually, there's a better way to collapse this. Well, maybe not. I don't know how the lid closes. I guess it doesn't. Well, that's going to be how I put it away for now. I'll leave this up to kind of air dry. And pretty happy with it. I think being able to do like a t-shirt, pair of underwear, and socks every now and then will definitely extend having to really go to the laundromat for anything besides bedding and towels and blankets. So I've done several loads over the course of the week here, since I first got the product till today, and it's worked out pretty good. I did find putting 2 heavy polos in at the same time, it washed it okay, but when it came time to spin the shirts, 2 of them were too heavy, wouldn't spin, so I just did 1 at a time. I think 2 t-shirts would be fine, and of course you could probably do 3 sets of underwear and a couple of socks all at the same time. Makes a big difference. As you saw, I drained into my sink, which goes into the gray tank. The smart thing to do is carry it outside, especially when you're on boondocker like I am, and let it drain outside. Using a chemical biodegradable detergent. Anyway, I hope you found this interesting. I will have a link to my specific portable washing machine down below, and it is an Amazon link. I get no benefits from you purchasing it or not. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel. Comment too, as I love to read your comments, and I respond back in one way or another. And also subscribe if you are not currently a subscriber, so you get alerts every time I post a new video. So go out there, be positive, be nice, and be active.